Hello and welcome to the second part of our qualifying round of the KitKat World Cup. Now today we've got 8 more flavours to try. Some exciting ones, some seasonal ones and some more local specialities. So let's kick this off.
Well, hold on, before we continue, let's recap on the last video, the first 8 KitKats from the other half of the qualifying round.
So
it's been all go.
It has been all go. So from the first half of the qualifying round going through to the quarterfinals, we have the deep or rich matcha. We have the ikinari dango, sudden dumpling. We have the Sakura sake, and we also have the Hiroshima Momiji Manju cake, or yes, Momiji Manju.
And we could take a moment to remember those that we lost.
Yes.
And I'd say we lost some nice ones.
We did lose some very nice ones.
Some nice ones have gone.
Yes.
It's a bit of a shame, isn't it? Because the plum sake
umeshu
was nice, and that's gone.
That's gone.
That's a goner.
It's gone. We lost the sweetness for adults matcha, the standard matcha. We lost the strawberry tiramisu.
Oh, so good, nice. Wasn't it?
So good.
That feels like it deserves to be in some sort of quarterfinal,
so
but
good.
It just didn't make it, did it?
So good. And we lost the onsen manju bun.
Okay. Well,
that probably didn't deserve to be within the 16.
No, it didn't. I wish it wasn't as well.
Yeah.
I wish we had more KitKats.
We will get more
so
KitKats.
That didn't make its way.
I'm
sure there's nicer KitKats out than that.
I know there's nicer KitKats than that. The wasabi KitKats are nicer than that.
Yeah. Right, let's push on.
Without further ado, let's move on.
Yeah. Right. What have we got?
So, okay, now first battle is between the Sakura kinako, roasted soybean flour. Kinako is quite a traditional Japanese flavour, and with the cherry blossom. So let's see if we can taste both those things. And then we have the Hojicha roasted tea. And this is the kind of tea you normally get in ramen restaurants. It's like roasted red tea. I think this could go either way. I think either one of these could end up being completely delicious, or they could end up being revolting.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. So, it's a white chocolate.
What's that?
It doesn't smell of much.
Oh, really? I think it does. It's got
Making a mess. This reminds me of something. What does it remind me of? Pink wafers.
Oh yeah, it's a wafer, isn't it?
Pink Panther wafers.
Yeah, it's waferish.
I can't taste much of the kinako. Maybe slightly. Kinako is quite a savoury flavour. I'm not getting any of the Sakura there. It's not like the Sakura sake where I could taste it. No Sakura
you're
coming
bang
through
on.
at
It's
all.
just like a wafer, isn't it?
Yeah, pink wafer. Right. So now let's try this one. Again, I'm trying to go this side so I don't get the design.
Bit of a letdown, that last one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Oh, definitely smells like tea. Right. And you can have the bigger half this time.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Tea.
Yeah, it smells nice, doesn't it?
It's like milky tea.
Yeah, I quite like that.
So.
Well.
Yeah.
That's an easy one.
Easy one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
The tea flavoured. Roasted tea. Yum.
I mean, this is a fancy description, but it's just it's nothing special at all, is it?
It didn't really taste of anything. So it's not bad. It's not It's
fine, but it's nothing exciting.
Pink Panther pink wafers versus milky tea, and tea wins every time. Right.
Right.
So next we have two seasonal ones.
Oh yeah, it's the right matchup, isn't it? So we got Easter versus Halloween.
So this is Easter banana KitKats. Never knew banana was a traditional Easter food, but
It's apple pie, isn't it?
And Halloween apple pie. Also, you have apple pie in autumn. Halloween's in autumn.
That's fine. I ain't got a problem with that. Banana and Easter, I've got a slight problem. But what are they going to do? Egg flavoured KitKats and stuff like that. Or hot cross bun KitKats.
Hot cross bun flavoured KitKats.
See why they do that instead of banana?
I think hot cross buns are only a thing really in England. I think that's probably why. But I'm all for hot cross bun flavoured KitKats. Should totally be a thing.
Right, so apple pie. Halloween apple pie.
Yeah, I just went with the apple pie first. I don't know why.
Okay.
And it's purple. Smells all cinnamony. And
oh, it's so
appley.
It just really is appley. I just smell that and I think of like apple crumble.
Mm. Mm.
And totally tastes like apple crumble.
The tang of the apples and the cinnamon.
Mm. Yeah. I feel like a nice apple crumble.
I could even taste pastry. How is that possible?
Mm. It's nice that one, isn't it?
How is that possible?
On, it's a little bit of chocolate now.
And purple again for Halloween. Right.
Yummish.
Doesn't smell that banana-y.
It doesn't, does it, at all? I thought it's going to be a real smelly one.
Mm. Mm.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, got there in the end.
Yeah, it does taste banana-y.
Mm.
Mm. That is...
Mm. Yeah, they're both really nice, aren't they?
That's quite tough.
Oh, but I think it goes down to they both taste nice, but what one's got that little bit of originality and is a little bit more clever, maybe. And it has to be the apple pie.
I think so. Halloween apple pie.
Yeah.
So it will be Halloween apple pie versus roasted tea.
Tough one, actually. See what I know. One of my favourites is coming up. One of my big time favourites, as in I've had probably 4 or 5 of these already. And one of these KitKats was coming up, and I haven't tasted what it's going to be up against.
But it sounds really nice.
But it does sound really nice.
It sounds really nice.
Is that next?
Yes.
Yay!
So next we have lemon Setouchi salt. Now this is another local specialty. Apparently it was done to raise money for the Seto Inland Sea, which is on the south coast of Honshu. And apparently there's some quite bad rainfall there, so it was partly to raise money for that. And it's Seto Inland Sea is halfway between Osaka and Hiroshima. So I hadn't heard of it before seeing the KitKat. So I'm doing this just to build it up because these are so nice.
This is like the best one I've personally tasted.
And then it's up against Iyokan, which is a Japanese mandarin.
Mandarins, eh? A rare treat. Mandarins. So what are we going to do first? Let's just do the lemon because we know we know how good they are.
Oh, they're so good.
And lemon and salt. What salt was it? Lemon and
Setouchi salt.
Setouchi salt. God.
Oh, so lemony.
These are just delightful. Come on. Oh, great.
Oh.
My favourite one. Look at that. This is supposed to be 50-50 snapping, this is.
I haven't managed to snap one of these 50-50 so
Notice
far.
on this one, I get really shortchanged. Smells great. Maybe if you like sherbet lemons.
Or lemon meringue pie.
Yeah, well, lemon meringue. Oh. But that's just...
Oh, they're so good.
It's amazing.
They're so good.
They're so nice.
So nice. Lemon meringue
We need to
pie
get a
and a
bag of
KitKat.
these. We need to get a bag of these.
Another bag of these.
Okay, another bag of these.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
They smell pretty nice.
Yeah.
There we go. I'll smell half this time.
They smell good.
It's that tang.
That's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, they're so nice. But
Not as nice, are they? They're really nice.
they're so nice. This would, I think,
Yes.
this would be lots and lots of different flavours. But it cannot beat
Doesn't.
the salty, sweet, tangy, lemon meringue pie goodness of this one.
It doesn't hold up, does it?
No, it doesn't hold up. Sorry.
But it is really good.
Really, really, really good.
Okay. So
Now,
the lemon will go up against the winner of this next matchup.
yeah, and it's another fruity matchup.
Oh yeah.
Furutsu.
One of these I haven't had before either.
Yes. So now we have from the
from the
land
land
of
of-
Yubari in northern Japan.
So that again.
Now we have from the land of Yubari, northern Japan. This is Melon Kuma territory.
Yay.
And it's Hokkaido melon.
So let's talk about Melon Kuma.
Melon Kuma is one of our favourite mascots. He is
It has to be.
He is a ferocious bear with a melon on his head.
It's like the only baddie mascot,
Yes, the only baddie mascot,
isn't he?
really.
Yeah, makes kids cry.
Makes kids cry.
It bites old women's heads.
Yes, he does.
How
So,
can you not love that?
like in England, maybe you have your Peppa Pigs, you have your Bings, you have your wussy mascots and cartoon characters. In Japan, as well as the wussy mascots, you get Melon Kuma, who is basically a complete jerk. Bites other mascots too.
If we ever meet him, I'll tell him you said that.
Well, yeah, we are hoping to meet him next year when we go up to Hokkaido.
I'm going to tell him.
You're going to lose it if we ever meet Melon
I'm
Kuma.
going to tell him you called him a jerk. Come on.
So, we have Hokkaido melon. And that is up against peach mint, which is a bit of an unknown
Which
quantity.
we've never had, have we? Peach mint?
No.
Never had peach mint.
No, so we have melon, and these ones are really, really nice. Not such a pretty package
It
for
was
these.
ages since I had one of these, so I can't really remember.
Yeah, we've been a while. It smells so nice. These are one of my favourite ones.
Hope you like it more than me. But it is nice.
It's really good, like cantaloupe. So you can tell the difference in the type of melon.
Run out of tea.
No. No.
Okay. Yeah, that was nice and fruity and nice and sweet.
Yes.
Definitely.
Not much of a tang to it, just kind of sweet. Really, really nice.
Yeah.
Now I've got peach mint.
Okay, peach mint.
Oh, this one is an interesting looking one.
Oh yeah, it's got little bits in.
Look at this.
Little bits
Ooh,
in. What?
it's green in the middle.
Oh, it's green in the middle.
Oh,
What? What do you
smells
expect?
like mint.
Yeah, I can...
No, we're getting much of the peach. That is a weird combination.
I like it.
It's nice. It's really nice, but that's so weird.
But I like chocolate mint and mint chocolate. So if you like your mint chocolate chip ice cream and stuff like that, which I do.
I'm not getting much of the peach though.
No, it's more like a mint chocolate bar. I didn't get any peach. But I still like it more than the melon one. So now what do we do? You like one, I like one. So what are we going to do? Fight over it? Arm wrestle? What are we going to do? Peanuts? Do you want to peanuts?
No. Are we going to have to toss a coin?
No. I don't know. Yeah.
We didn't decide this properly.
Oh, man.
But, based on flavour, I'm maybe more inclined to go because I really did like this. I'm just not getting much of the peach. But I think maybe go for the mint. Yeah.
Okay.
So the lineup for the quarterfinals of the KitKat World Cup are Deep Matcha versus Ikanari Dango, Sakura Sake versus Hiroshima Momiji Manji. We have Hojicha, the roasted tea, apologies for the pronunciation, versus Hallowe'en apple pie. And we have lemon and Setouchi salt versus peach mint.
Wowzers.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, there's some good ones. There's some amazing ones have gone. So it's a shame about those.
Yes, definitely.
But it's just where they matched up.
Yeah.
I think maybe some of the ones still in it are probably not as nice as some of the ones that are gone.
Plum sake.
Plum sake, yeah. Okay, that concludes that.
Yep.
That's the qualifiers done.
Yes.
Next up, quarter-final time.
Yeah.
As we get into the last 8.
Yes.
Oh, the final 8, eh?
Final 8. Yes.
We see you in the quarterfinals.
Yes, see you in the quarterfinals.